Welcome back to AutoNerveX, where we dive deep into the machines that move us. Today, we're experiencing something truly special, the 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS. This is not merely a convertible. It's the pinnacle of Ferrari's front-engine V12 heritage, re-engineered for a new era with sharper responses, breathtaking technology, and an emotional presence that dominates any road. Buckle up as we explore its stunning exterior, exquisite interior, monumental performance, and its position in the realm of hyper-luxury. From the first glance, the 812 GTS is a rolling sculpture of speed. The design is a masterful evolution, retaining the long, dramatic hood that houses the epic engine, but every line has been refined for aerodynamic efficiency and sheer beauty. The front features a more pronounced splitter and complex air intakes that channel airflow with purpose. The signature side scallops behind the front wheels are deeper, guiding air along the flanks to reduce drag. Of course, the focus is the retractable hardtop, which stows away neatly in just 14 seconds, transforming the car's profile without compromising its graceful silhouette. At the rear, the four circular taillights and the integrated active spoiler work with a redesigned diffuser to manage airflow and downforce. It's a design that is both timeless and aggressively modern, a true Italian masterpiece in motion. Dropping the top and settling into the cabin is an event. The interior is a driver-centric cockpit wrapped in the finest Ferrari craftsmanship. You are surrounded by sumptuous leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum. The new, smaller steering wheel is inspired by Formula One, putting all major controls, including the iconic Manettino drive mode selector, at your fingertips. The digital instrument cluster is fully configurable, offering clear, focused readouts. The passenger gets their own optional display, showing speed and performance data. Every surface, from the beautifully trimmed seats to the polished metal gate of the optional manual-style transmission selector, feels special. It's an environment that blends racing purpose with opulent luxury, making every drive an occasion. Now, for the soul of this machine, the 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 for 2026. It has been further refined, singing even more powerfully to a 9,500 RPM redline and producing a staggering 830 horsepower. The sound it makes with the roof down is pure mechanical symphony, a screaming, metallic wail that is the anthem of performance purists. This power is delivered to the rear wheels through a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The result is explosive. 0 to 60 miles per hour vanishes in under 2.8 seconds. The engineering magic, however, is in its balance and feel. The latest iteration of Ferrari's sophisticated rear-wheel steering and side slip control systems make this powerful front-engine GT feel agile, communicative, and incredibly confidence-inspiring. It's a car that connects you directly to the road and the engine in a way that few others can. Such an exclusive, emotionally charged experience commands a corresponding price. The 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS is a bespoke masterpiece. The base price starts approximately $400,000. However, with Ferrari's extensive personalization program including unique paints, specialized interior trims, carbon fiber packages, and advanced audio systems, the final price can easily approach and exceed $500,000. This places it in the stratosphere of automotive ownership, a symbol of ultimate achievement and passion. So, what's the final word from AutoNerveX? The 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS is an electrifying celebration of everything that makes driving magical. It combines devastatingly beautiful design, a passionately crafted interior, and a naturally aspirated V12 performance that feels both raw and refined. It's a car for those who understand that true luxury is an emotion delivered through sound, speed, and soul. It's not just a convertible, it's a masterpiece. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more from AutoNerveX. Thanks for watching.